Imagine being gondola ass.
What the fuck does that even mean, bro?
Imagine.
Imagine.
Fuck off.
Imagine.
The English Stack Exchange.
Fucking gondola ass.
Big gondola looking ass.
Gondola looking ass.
Gonda looking ass.
You're welcome. Man, I proved you wrong, Tom.
Nope.
No fear.
No fear.
No fear.
I know you're scared for someone.
I ain't scared, no fear.
Sure.
No fucking fear. That's why I didn't sell it, nigga.
Like when we're playing Apex and
Yes, Dane.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Go fucking gondola.
What the fuck?
Gondola looking ass.
Y'all retarded, bro.
You got it from me, alright? Gondola looking ass.
Who even says? Who even calls people that? What the
Carrier
fuck?
friend.
How
Dead.
dead? How dead though?
Nah, Joe, you didn't fucking do shit with the fucking friend.
And next time we move it, we can prop our fucking tools.
What?
Next time we're moving or someone's moving, we can fuck the proper tools for this shit.
Wait,
What's
Joe,
the
how do you guys
proper
carry the
tool,
fridge?
We fucking use our hands, nigga.
Nigga!
Imagine carrying a friend.
No,
Yeah.
no,
I'm fucking carrying like, yo, where's the dolly?
Yeah, no
Like-
trolleys, no dollies, no nothing.
He's like, there's no dolly. I'm like, okay.
no one thought we were fucking carrying a fucking fridge. Maybe that's 2 fridges, actually. We had to carry 2 fridges.
Imagine carrying a fridge.
Those are some heavyweight fridges too, my god.
It's a fucking fridge, dude.
Yeah, what are you thinking? Like,
No,
fucking
'cause,
5 pounds?
no, we also carry like the small ones too.
On the mini
You
fridge?
think that shit is light, dude?
Holy shit. Imagine, that's why we keep saying imagine carrying a fridge.
Imagine carrying a fridge.
Where the fuck is the ice cream coming from?
Because then on the day we moved to Jerry's place, I had to go to work, and then they went to go eat at my workplace, and then I had to scoop a shit ton of ice cream.
You guys think of the stupidest fucking memes.
And
Holy
then we
shit.
ordered a fuck ton of ice
You all are,
I hate-
st- you all of you are
I hate-
stupid.
cream. I ate 4 bowls of ice cream.
Bad.
Because no one wanted it. I was like, okay,
Fucking bad.
I'll...
Fuck. Because I had to fucking, after carrying fridges and beds, I had to go to work, and then fucking I was busy that day too, and I had to fucking scoop a shit ton of ice cream. Holy fuck.
Imagine carrying a fridge.
Imagine being gunner ass.
I'm pretty sure your guys' fucking IQ spawned the coronavirus, dude. You guys are fucking stupid.
What the fuck? If anything, it's fucking Thomas' stupid ass.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Austin, what the fuck?
The person who's lifting the fucking fridge with his hand.
Man.
Imagine starting getting a D.
Not me. Not me.
was that deep?
Nah.
Gonna laugh.
Shut the fuck up! Shut the fuck up!
Bro, like I'm picking my class up for next semester, bro. Like fucking, the only class that's available for this section is fucking 7 p.m. to 9:45 p.m., bro.
Yeah, that's
People are complaining like there's only like evening classes.
Bruh.
There's one faculty member, or there's like a few faculty members in that thread.
Davis is like, bruh.
Bro, 7 and 9:45 p.m. Bro, like I'm gonna be fucking like out, bro.
It feels like
I'm
tomorrow's...
I'm call this fucking Professor Gondola looking ass.
Davis, shut the fuck up, man.
What the
Shut up, man.
Didn't you take an algorithm class?
Yeah, it was fucking hell.
Yeah.
It was hard like my dick.
Nobody.
Nobody, nigga.
Fuck you.
Yeah,
What you
Davis.
said, nigga?
Yeah, fuck you, Davis.
Yeah, fuck you, Gonal ass.
don't, shut the fuck up. Don't say that. Don't say
Fucking
that.
Gondola looking
No,
Gonal.
ass.
oh my...
I'm just hoping they announce it for online classes tomorrow because I have a project that's due on Friday that even.
Image.
What the hell?
Gondola looking at.
Hey, no,
Procrastinating Gonal looking.
if it does go online, then we know who the real Gondola looking ass is. The professor.
You're a fucking gondola, bro.
What the fuck? Yo, Gondola looking ass. Thomas. I mean, Gondola looking ass.
What the fuck?
What are we eating tomorrow?
Hey, we can go anywhere, dude. No line.
What the hell? 3 confirmed cases in Long Beach. You want to eat in Long Beach?
Fuck yeah, bro. What the
Fuck yeah! We getting the virus. We getting the virus.
You guys are gooks.
fuck? No fear.
No fear.
No fear.
No. Say that much in the hospital. No fear.
Word.
Dave's gonna be like,
All the girls coming at me right now. Shit.
Nobody.
you're a fucking gook.
Oh, where are we going, Chuck E. Cheese?
No one. Nobody.
Hey, you want the Corona? That's all you, brother.
The kids are fine, alright. I don't want Chuck E.
Nah, those kids dirty as fuck.
The kids are fine.
They stinky too. What the fuck?
Okay, okay.
Alright, I'll see you at 6:29 a.m. Gonna look at that.
Uh-huh.
Hey.
What's happening? Shut the fuck up.
What's happening? What?
Imagine campfire. Imagine scooping ice cream. Imagine the dying CSD.
Imagine.
Imagine.
You guys hear that? You guys
What?
hear that? It's a retard talking.
Oh,
I heard him.
yeah, I heard him too, Tanner. I think he's on the 3rd.
I keep hearing it.
What?
What the fuck am I listening to right now?
Oh, yo, gonna looking at us.
All of you are fucking retarded, man.
That's it.
Need help.
I don't know, dude. I don't know.
What?
That's it.
False.
False. What do you mean false?
Oh.
Also,
Oh.
nigga. Also,
False.
nigga.
Where's Jerry? I need Jerry.
Not
Right.
true, bro.
Adding Jerry
False.
won't fucking be retarded.
No es cierto, es falso.
Sí, sí. Bien, bien,
What?
gracias.
Why are we speaking Spanish now, man?
Por favor.
Ah,
Todos los días para la Navidad.
no,
Los
no,
papas fritas.
I love it, nigga.
Lechuga. Hamburguesas.
La salchicha.
Bien. Salchicha. Sí, sí. Muy bueno.
Horchata.
Movie star
vamos.
Brazos.
Oh my god.
Vaya.
Carne
La
asada burrito.
Go.
Sabor asada.
Uh,
Zanahorias.
You guys are fucking more retarded than you are usually. The corona got you, bro.
Manzana.
I can't even say it anymore.
La cucaracha. La cucaracha.
La cucaracha.
Las verduras. Los guisantes.
Oh, these-
La carne.
Spanish notes, right?
El bistec.
Mm,
El pollo. El arroz.
El pescado.
My lord.
El pollo loco.
Hey, we're just training our fucking Spanish. Relax.
Del Taco.
Yo, I think
Taco.
from just in a few hours, I think I got a negative IQ.
Numero,
Burrito.
numero uno.
Burrito. Christ.
Quesadilla.
Holy shit!
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Las comidas. Las
Where
comidas.
you trying to go? Trying to go where?
Gondola looking.
Look there.
You can't skip the Ghana looking asses, right? What the fuck? Who changed my name? I am back.
Imagine. We just gonna leave Henry in there.
Joy,
The Nicki Minaj rhythm bot right now.
return.
It's just true. Yeah, I saw you miss.
I didn't miss.
Imagine.
I went a little bit too far.
Las chicas.
Bruh.
Las chicas.
Cuando yo ve las chicas, yo voy a shake.
What?
What am I hearing?
Wait, what? Andrew, that's what I've been saying the entire time. What the fuck am I listening to?
The Spanish was fine, but here's some dumbass thing.
Dude, can they just make... Imagine carrying 2 fridges. Wait, who's that?
What the fuck is that? Is that
Who
Joe?
is that?
It's freaking Davis. What do you mean?
Oh.
Wait, that isn't.
Wait, what?
That's Joe.
Oh my god.
Wait, where's Davis?
Wait, that actually is Joe.
Wait, that's Joe. Yeah, Davis is offline.
The person that's always fucking on Do Not Disturb.
I mean, Davis been on it.
His picture has 2 fridges in it.
Joe
I
didn't
want
do
my
shit,
two.
bruh.
Wow.
He just watched us carry 2. I mean, I guess because he hurt his hand from deadlift. Still, motherfucker.
That's what he wants you to. That's what he wants you to think, Thomas.
Motherfucker. It's just an excuse to not do